I should just wear them, right? Yeah. Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna wear them like that. Hopefully we're not gonna do too much gear switching today. But yeah, there's a there's a little squeak to my bike, guys. So I'm gonna find out where the bicycle area is. Let's see if there's any bar chain oil. They sell. They usually have everything at these Walmarts. Hey guys, do you have like bicycle stuff?
Yes,
like,
it's all the way over, like toys.
All the way back there?
I can help you.
I'll find it. I'll find it there. Yeah, because my chain has started to kind of squeak and creak, and I imagine it's yesterday's dust from all those country farming roads that's gotten into the chain, and it's just making it squeak. What I should really do is wash it with soap and water. Wow, this is a massive shop here by the toys. There we go. I see bicycles. See what they have. Pumps. See bike chain lube. Yeah, we're gonna get both. Yes, yeah. Hey guys, definitely want to stop here. Because yeah, I was starting to get nipped. And these gloves are really thin, but if we do that, and then keep the other ones keep the originals for tomorrow and the day after as it warms up. It's probably going to be like in the 30s tomorrow, so it should be okay. But just to get through the day, and yeah guys, when you're getting out there, as soon as I'm out there, like I'm feeling like, man, we should probably postpone the old country road, or the old brick road. I'm not sure. Maybe. Because it's brutal out there, guys. Of course, it takes your body a while to adjust and to you know, kind of get into a groove and rhythm. Make sure we get this staple out of there. There's like a metal staple in there. There we go. So yeah, we got a nice pair of extra large gloves, guys. So let's continue. Let's continue on our merry way. Yeah, buddy. So some of this let's get further away from these people exiting the store. Because of that wind, they might get a huge whiff of So, WD-40 chain went in first. So there's wet lube. Oh yeah. Yeah, hopefully this will do the trick, guys. Yeah, that sun feels really amazing. Like when you're just standing, I could feel the warmth and stuff from the lovely sun. And see, guys, these gloves are not going to be the best for fuffing with the phone. Anyways, guys,